Welcome back to our advisory time today. We're going to do a little bit of a practice. One of the things that I really want us to try and do as a campus is start working on some of those things to show respect to others with the way that we perceive and project ourselves. So we're going to start practicing. We have some lessons we're going to do over the course of the next couple of months, but each of those lessons is going to start the same way. And we're going to practice that start today. Now, the way this works is you're going to end up getting paired up with somebody during our lessons. Now for today, pair up with anyone that you like in the room. If you can't find someone to pair up with, see your teacher. Your teacher will pair you with someone then. And remember, this is not something like you're going to be marrying somebody, for goodness sakes. This is someone you're going to be practicing and showing respect for. It would actually be better if you do this with someone that you don't normally talk to. That is a better strategy in this regard. Now, as we begin these things, I've got some students that are here going to help me, but these are the things that they're going to be trying to do. Number one, they're going to make sure that they give their trapezoid to one another. Number two, they're going to use the other person's name and their own name. And number three, they're going to be sure that they use words of greeting. Now, words of greeting could be something simpler like hello, or good morning, or good afternoon, happy Tuesday. They could be more informal, like, yo, what up, Holmes, or give me some dap, man. It could be whatever you want it to be. Yeah, I'm not exactly the most street individual. But anyway, whatever it is that you feel appropriate for the person that you're dealing with is fine with me. So again, they got to give the trapezoid. They've got to use their name and their partner's name, and they've got to use some type of words of greeting. Now, remember, when you give your trapezoid to someone, that is your two eyes and your shoulders. So when you're speaking to them, you want to make sure you square up or trapezoid up to them. You're not going to be turned sideways like this doing it. You're both going to have to get up and move, and maybe even turn chairs and face one another in order to make this work. So when I say go, we're going to turn and show a demonstration of two of the young men doing this, and we'll see how this goes.